ZEO stock analysis, Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And as I'm looking at ZEO Energy stock, it's $3.32, 41% up. I'm just made aware of the fact that, yeah, we closely reached this supply zone. And this, I'm going to explain what this means, but it's just a supply area, right? We just actually started getting quite volatile, like just recently. There's a lot more volume here. And I love that, you know, definitely love that. Here, like, we got like 2-3K, now it's like hundreds. 141 million is not that much for market cap, you know. I'll like very like a lot of more volume than usual, but 30 times I'm talking. But like right now, if the price starts and gives me a proper double break, there's again nothing stopping me from trying on the waters on the short side, but it really depends what we break first. Is it going to be the highs here or the lows there? You know, in the meantime, I'm going to keep you updated. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.